Then organize rally to welcome former governorship candidate of Green Party of Nigeria, wey im name na AA Zora, and other decampees into APC. As dem dey do this rally, na so fight start for this APC mega rally, and this one e happen for Kano. If una see fight, the way people give space, una go shock. My people, make una watch this video.
40 members of the State House of Assembly, 24 members of House of Reps, 80 senators, governor and deputy governor on 2025. Your Excellency, from the side of Kano State House of Assembly, during the period of 6 years of your tenureship, we were able to...
Hey, party scatter. People jump, I see people they run. Some even they climb fence. Nobody one die. Then even 1 year say they shoot gun on short range. He touch them. Everybody they on the run. Like I won't understand how this APC go insult democracy when they do political rally. Now my own question be that one. Now no, this one he really pay me. As Speaker of State House of Assembly, where be Hamisu Shidari been they giving speech. Now when this trouble start, members start to exchange blow. Even as then they do this fight, Speaker continue to give his speech. He no even stop. I don't know whether he notice the fight. Still they talk. I no understand. But this fight happen. Speaker they where in day. Still they give his own speech. But finally, then restore everywhere to normalcy. Then bring everything down. Bring this fight down and peace reign. But now these same people wey talk say, make a gathering no pass 50 people. This one corona, that one. But now they see congregation of people wey come out for this kind of rally. If for Kano, they get this amount of people where they support APC, wahala dey for this Nigeria. Big wahala dey. See crowd where they support this APC. The whole world, in fact, the whole country they on fire. Waiting then they reason a rally. If people come out now to do protests, that one go be wahala. But now then they do their own rally, be problem. I don't understand how they take do this kind of thing for this kind of Nigeria. I don't just understand. See the amount of people who come out for rally, and then they not even go do the democracy thing. Then come out to they do rally where I don't even understand the welcoming of former waiting at this time of the day. Now they want to welcoming of former governorship candidates. Waiting. As I see this one, I say no. Make una see the kind fight wey happen when these people they know they hear word, then go they do rally. Make una see this fight. I don't know that una go happy for this fight wey happen, or una no go happy. But this kind thing, now the results. When una no timing, the right time to do something. Now when this kind thing they happen, now when misunderstanding go happen, now when God go bring confusion in una midst. Now this kind thing when they happen, people they do democracy, una come and they do rally. Who does that? As I see, I say make una see wetin dey happen for Kano. My Kano people have far. Una follow come out for this kind rally. Una follow go stand for APC for this kind rally. Because I don't understand. As I see, I say make una see with una ayo. Because me I dey in shock for this kind amount of crowd wey come out to do rally. My people, I don't know wetin una will talk for this kind matter. Whether e good, say that they do rally for democracy, or then suppose just respect the democracy, face democracy. After democracy, then go talk of rally. I believe this one at the right time when Nigeria would encounter different things, kidnap, rape, this, that. Now be the right time to do rally. I don't just understand. My people, if you not get anything to talk, make una put them for comment section. No, make una no forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video. President of Nigeria will be Muhammadu Buhari in don land Lagos State for commissioning of projects. So, my people, if you not see how them put red rug like saying a coming of Jesus Christ, you go fear. But now our president we just land, we make them put red rug. My people, make una watch the video. Now for this in landing now, e go cause serious traffic for Lagos State o. As I dey see am so, na traffic e go cause. This president dey expect to commission 150 kilometers Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge railway line for Lagos. He also wan commission first double track standard gauge railway line for West Africa and first Nigeria railway line o. And this Ebute Metta station wey we know as Mobulaji Johnson station be the largest railway station for West Africa and e accommodate 6,000 passengers. My people, if una see the beauty of this station, una go shock. Ma allow una watch this video, see how fine this place dey. Abi una don see this place na the venue of the commissioning. See as e fine. This one na one thing one know say President Buhari do, wey I know say at least I dey happy about. This in project, at least e dey give me small joy for body. I know say the president bad, but when he do small good kwanu, make we praise am. But another problem be maintenance wey no be to create this kind fine thing abandon am. Dem go maintain am. This kind Nigeria maintenance na problem o. If you come back 2 years time now, you go see say dem don dey piss, dem don dey shit for the location. In 3 months time from now, you go see say banana people, groundnut sellers, dem don dey hawk for that place, spoil the place. People wey wan do advertisement, dem go carry their bills, their posters, go dey post for that place. Before you know, the place don scatter, go back to ground zero. My people, I no understand whether these people plan to put maintenance into place for this kind project o. And Nigeria na place wey light no dey. I wonder how this place go dey when NEPA come take light. Na here dem fit even carry out armed robbery. Kidnappers go fit even come dey kidnap people wey dey pass by or wan use the way. Because I no come understand again. Country no get light, dem dey do project. I no know if security go dey there. I no even know how they wan take maintain am, but my own problem be this maintenance. I know say all the Nigerians dem go dey reason this same thing with me. Dem go fit maintain. But at least this Buhari try o. Buhari really try. But for the maintenance aspect, na wetin I wan know if dem go fit maintain am. For the remaining years wey this Buhari dey, abeg make him try to put up more projects so that we know say him do like 80% bad. At least make we see this structure talk say yes, this one na the only good thing wey Buhari do. At least the 20% no go just go in vain. That one na my own prayer. My people, wetin una think concerning this commission and the landing of the president for Lagos? Wetin una reason? Anything wey una reason concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section o. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.